Do you want to make the best beer can chicken without sacrificing flavor? I'm going to show you how to do it on this all-new Ninja FlexFlame. We're out here today with the all-new Ninja FlexFlame. This precision outdoor cooking solution has some very unique features when it comes to the grilling market. Today, we're going to be demonstrating the bake or the roast features along with that wood fire technology on a pair of beer can chickens. Now let's dive in. Now with the Ninja FlexFlame, this is precision grilling at its finest. This here has electronic controlled gas valves that allow for precise temperature settings. So today we're gonna be cooking at 375 degrees. It is as simple as turning it to the ignite, pressing and holding, and we're already lit. Now I'm gonna close the lid here and I'm gonna turn this to the roast and bake option. It's gonna give you about 300 to 450 degrees of temperature range, and this is gonna utilize the front and the back burner. Now these electronic gas valves are going to change the amount of gas that's allowed through so that it maintains that temperature. So when you open the lid, you add a disturbance, it's gonna bump up and then settle down as it approaches that set point. So we're gonna set this, like I said, 375 degrees for today's cook. Now for this cook, we're gonna be using the wood fire option. We're gonna get in here, we're gonna fill the basket with pellets. Then you're gonna come over to the control panel here. You're gonna hit the wood fire, press and hold it. Now, we've got that fire. It's gonna be started, and in about 10 minutes, we're gonna have smoke coming out of here. Now let's get back over here, get these chickens prepped. And at this point, the FlexFlame is up to 375 degrees. I can smell that smoke going. Let's get it in there. We're at 375 degrees. Look at that smoke rolling. Let's get those chickens on there. Now, while I've got this open, I've got my Ninja Pro Chef wireless Bluetooth thermometer. We're gonna be using this to monitor the cook itself. Get this pushed down in there to the line, and we're gonna get this closed, and that convection fan is gonna start spinning. That means we're gonna get that rolling and good air movement in there that's going to crisp up these chickens while they roast and while they smoke on this Ninja FlexFlame. Now, anytime we're cooking chicken, we're looking for 165 degrees in the breast. Using that Ninja wireless thermometer, we're gonna monitor the progress of this cook. And at about 155 degrees, we're gonna take a look at the crispiness, and we might play around with that FlexFlame precision technology so that we can get an even better crisp. We'll see you in a little bit. We're exactly 1.5 hours into this cook, and look at those beer can chickens. You can see how evenly these cook, the color that it is produced. We're at 155 degrees, and this convection style cooking looks like it's doing great. Now we're gonna get this lid closed because they're not done yet, and we're actually going to turn this up to 415 degrees. We're gonna do that because we want this skin to get even crispier. It shouldn't take long. We only have 10 degrees left, and we're still monitoring with that Ninja wireless probe. We will see you when they're done. These beer can chickens are done, and it is time to see how well we did. Let's go ahead and pull them off. There's so much juice on this table. I don't know if you can see. And that skin, listen to that skin, nice and crispy. Now, anytime that I cook chicken, I can always tell how good it is based off of the breast, because that's the part that needs to be the juiciest. Now, we got the crispy skin. You saw that, you could hear that. So we also got the juice. But how did we do on the flavor? Using that potato as a plug locks in those juices, and it makes it just cook from the inside with that steam. I can tell you right now that this is one of my favorite beer can chickens that I've ever made, and that all new Ninja FlexFlame helped me do it. If you're interested in more videos like this and you're interested more on that Ninja FlexFlame, reach out down in the comments, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.